Hey, Sophia.
Hey, Martha, what's up?
I'm really bummed right now.
Why?
Because summer's almost over. All my students have gone to orientation. Who am I going to talk to now?
Okay, I feel the same way, but the new application opens up soon and we're gonna get new
Really?
students to talk to. Yes, really?
Oh my gosh. When?
Absolutely. August 1st it opens.
Oh my gosh, August
Okay.
1st.
Did you ladies know that you can apply for college before you even go back to high school for your senior year?
Yeah.
Get this off your plate. Ladies, apply now. We need students to talk to.
Come talk to us.
August 1st.
August 1st. So,
Yep.
I interrupted.
Stand by, this is a take for FAFSA 1.
Martha, I feel so bad for my students right now.
Oh no, what's going on?
It's not the end of the world, but the FAFSA is opening up on October 1st, and it's new. Nobody knows how to do it the first time.
There's so many questions, but we're here to help them.
Yes, absolutely.
But not just us. We have financial aid.
Oh, they're the best.
Those ladies will help.
They will help. So, on October 1st, when the FAFSA opens up, get into it right away and let us know if you need help.
This is a take 2, FAFSA.
Martha, I feel kind of bad for my students right now.
Oh no, what's going on?
It's not the end of the world, but the FAFSA is opening up on October 1st, and nobody knows how to do it the first time.
It's because it's all new.
It's new and challenging.
They should just call us or email us or reach out to us.
Yes.
Guys, not just us, They have financial aid too.
They're the best.
Those ladies are really helpful.
For sure. So on October 1st, when the FAFSA opens up, get into it right away and let us know if you need help.
Stand
Okay.
by,
Okay.
FAFSA take 3.
Martha, I feel kind of bad for my students right now.
Oh no, what's going on?
It's not the end of the world, but the FAFSA opens on October 1st, and it's just kind of new for everybody and challenging.
It's okay. It's like you said, it's new for everybody. Our students should definitely reach out to us if they have any questions.
Yes,
Ladies, they also have financial aid, not just us.
they're the best.
Yes.
Those ladies are really helpful, especially with the FAFSA.
Yeah, so on October 1st, when the FAFSA opens up, make sure that you get into it right away and just let us know if you have any questions.
Will work for you. Suits you?
Practice
What am I,
for
75?
FAFSA, practice 1.
Okay, you guys, the FAFSA's been open for a little while now, and my students haven't all filled it out yet.
They have to fill it out. They all have to fill it out so that they know how much it's going to cost to come here. It's going to be different for everybody.
And plus, some of the the grants are first come, first serve.
That's true. And some of our students aren't even going to use the FAFSA. So what do they do?
Yeah.
Oh, they can use the Alverno aid form.
Oh.
Of course they can. Ladies, one of these options is right for you. Get it done.
Practice and practice was good. This
Yeah.
is going
Oh,
to be
okay.
Okay.
day 1.
Oh my God, I
for
don't want to be an actor.
Different options of FAFSA.
Come back to
Stand
us,
by
Julie.
and
Wait,
5.
Julie. Okay, you guys. The FAFSA's been open for, I'm sorry.
Hey.
This is day 3, FAFSA options.
Okay, you guys, the FAFSA has been open for a little while now, and not all of my students have filled it out.
They have to fill it out. Everyone has to fill it out, or else how are they going to know how much it's going to cost to come to Alverno?
Yeah.
It's different for everybody.
Well, and plus, some of the grants are first come, first serve.
You know what though? I have some students that aren't going to use the FAFSA.
Me
What are
too.
they going to do?
Well, they can fill out the Alverno aid form.
Of course.
That's a great idea. One of these options is right for you. Get it done, ladies.
Stand by.